Hello students, today we are going to solve the fourth numerical of photogrammetry. Question is given as an aerial photograph of a terrain having an average elevation of 1000 meter is taken at a scale of 1 raised to 6500. It means that small h value is given and the scale value is also given. Now the focal length of the camera is 20 centimeter. It means that small f value is also given. Now the altitude of the flight above MSL in meter up to 1 decimal place is. It means that we need to compute the value of capital H. Now we know the formula of scale. It will be equals to F upon H minus H. Now we have the scale as 1 by 6500 is equals to focal length is given as 20 centimeters. So we will convert it in meter. That will be 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 upon we need to find the value of capital H and the value of small h is given as 1000. On solving this, we will get the value of capital H as 2300 meter. So the altitude of the flight above MSL is 2300 meter. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.